How has FSI Courses benefited students and teachers at Wilkinson County Middle and High School?
FSI Courses has, I don't know if I have the exact words to say how it has raised the content knowledge, and we hired you as a specialist for the content knowledge to help increase the content knowledge of our teachers, but you also help with the pedagogy for our teachers. And just the engagement, when I happen to be around to see you, the student engagement, oh my goodness, I can't even explain how students just love you like you're a part of the faculty, like you're their teacher. Especially I've seen that in action in the middle school. The same thing, I haven't seen you in action as much in the high school because I've spent so much time in the middle school, but the same thing when I look in on the cameras, they're just so engaged with you. You brought another level of engagement. Our teachers have really learned a lot from you. It was really wonderful because we had a couple of first-time science teachers, first new year to education science teacher, and you really helped them, again, increase their pedagogy and their content knowledge. You've impacted our scores. Our biology scores actually increased, and I mean, we were so excited about that. Again, for her, that teacher coming from ELA, first time teaching science and biology, one of the tested science, or the only tested science now. We're just thrilled as a district about how you've impacted our scores. And the teachers, they fight over you. They want you. I've almost had to pull you from the high school teachers to bring you to the middle school because they love what you have to offer and how you take their knowledge up another level. We thank you for actually taking one of our science teachers to the conference this year, and for her to be able to present with you. So I could just go on and on about what you've added, the added value you've had added here to Wilkinson County, this district, to our teachers, and to our students.
Wow. Thank you. That was good. That was great. Our second question, what type of growth have you noticed in the students and teachers as a result of working with FSI Courses?
That increased rigor, that hands-on, minds-on, a growth in just, again, engagement. Being a science person, I always think science should always be engaging, but sometimes we get, caught up into not being as engaging as a science teacher. Again, some of it is with the pandemic. We've just come off of and trying to have traditional school again, but we were doing virtual and then trying to just get the kids back wanting to be at school. And we needed that kind of boost to ramp up that what a science teacher does, which is a lot of hands-on. That gives it that engagement piece. So FSI has given them that engagement back. I love that it's brought the technology piece in, and that it's actually not, again, just boring technology, but it's actually something that today's students are engaged in. Has some animation in it. It's just engaging all around. You have the drag and drop, which I can remember some of the lower teachers complain about students don't know how to drag and drop. So you incorporated that without me even sharing that with you.
And because I know you brought up an interesting point on test scores going up. And I think last spring it was 42% pass rate.
Right.
By the fall, using FSI Courses, it went to a 65% pass rate. And then I think by this spring, it went up to an 80% pass rate.
Yes, sir.
So one of the teachers said that's the highest the scores have been in the district. So what do you think contributes to it going from a 42% to an 80% pass rate? Again,
your hands-on approach, coming and working and consulting with our teachers, not just giving them the program and walk away, but I've been thoroughly impressed with your level of commitment to this district. Again, you do feel like one of my coworkers, like you're a part of the staff, the care that you have for the students in Wilkinson County, and the care you have for the teachers to improve their growth. And your presence here, hands-on, again, you didn't sell us a product that was a technology product, but you came and actually instructed and showed the teachers how to correctly use the product and the students. Right. And you held their hands through it. So I think that's where the growth comes from. Again, increasing the teachers' knowledge, and you're right there for the students also. And you're engaging. You're engaging. And we're so happy we said yes, because, we have to vet programs, and and of course piloted the first year, and to make sure that it's worth the money that we're spending, and we get something out of it. And I could only sing your praises. I'm so glad you went beyond the expectation that we have for consultant, coming to our PTO night for parents and actually demonstrating after hours, again, being available on weekends, and probably any time. That's above beyond the call of duty.
Thank you.
So we applaud you. It's money well spent. Hopefully I'm trying to find some money to bring you back next year.
What would you say to a potential school or school district that is interested in using FSI Courses services?
You definitely will not be disappointed in the caliber of the service and the quality of the program. You can only succeed or have more success or see student growth. You'll see growth, professional growth for your teacher. So I highly recommend this program. And Coach Spivey, again, I don't have the words to sing his praises, but he goes above and beyond of what's expected of just a consultant.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, y'all heard it here first. Coach Spivey signing off with
Kim Mack
and my son,
Jordan Spivey.
And ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned, because our next video is how does Ms. Mack do all the things that she does in one day and still have energy to sit down and shoot a video. But ladies and gentlemen, y'all take it easy. Peace.
Thank you.